ConfiaDocs presents the ultimate tattoo studio business kit.
Starting or managing a tattoo studio? Your business needs more than just amazing tattoos. It needs professional systems.
Most tattoo artists spend hours creating forms, policies, and contracts instead of focusing on their art.
Stop creating documents from scratch and regain control of your time.
Introducing the Tattoo Studio Business Kit, your all-in-one professional toolkit. Our kit features 25 essential, fully customizable business templates.
Secure your studio with professional consent forms, liability waivers, and detailed SOP manuals.
Stay compliant with OSHA standards and keep your finances in check with our integrated tracking tools. This kit is designed for every level of tattoo professional.
Easy for new tattoo artists and those running private, appointment-only studios.
Scalable enough for established, multi-artist shops and business consultants. Unlock the benefits of a structured, efficient business. Save hours of administrative work and stay organized from day one. Look professional to every client who walks through your door.
Protect your assets and build a studio designed for long-term growth.
Take the next step in your professional journey.
Available for instant digital download right now. Visit the ConfiaDocs Etsy shop today and start building your tattoo business with confidence.